Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the romaine lettuce seed in Heartopia. In this latest update, Heartopia has new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic Event, and at this event there is new crops that called romaine lettuce seeds. And to get this seed, you can just buy it from the NPC plant. So just go find him and then just talk to him like this, and then just tap on the gardening store, and then in here you can see the romaine lettuce seeds, and then just adjust the amount that you want to buy. For example, in here I want to buy 30 seeds, and then next just simply tap on purchase like this, and you already have this seed. And then next just go back to your home and then just plant these crops. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.